So you get this cool manual which actually outlines exactly how to set everything up. It also makes sure you follow it to know how to properly run the cord from the front to the back if you do choose to install the rear camera, because as you see here, it is optional. And then you are also told about the buttons. You actually are told about what you will receive in the actual packaging. And what's really cool is that they also in my packaging receive this micro SD adapter, so you can plug it in here and then put it into your computer so you actually watch the actual video, which I think is really cool. You also, as you see there, it's got this little pry bar. You have more sticky, and you do have this USB cord as well. It's a lot of cord, okay? So you will never, I don't think anyone will have a problem running this inside of their vehicle because you get a lot of actual cord. All right, so here is the camera actually on my windshield. It is really small, as you can see here, next to the actual rear view mirror. And this cord right here, I have not put everything away, goes to the back camera, and this is for the power. So you do have all your ports on here. I mean, all your little buttons to help you navigate. They do show the rear camera is this little area right here, and this all right here is the front of the camera. Here is the rear view camera, and you are able to move this however you see fit to make sure it is looking out directly how you want it to look. The cord is very long. Like, this is all the cord, which you should run to the side of your actual vehicle so it won't be in the way. All right, so I'm now driving, and you can see the clearness in the actual camera. So it is Ultra HD 4K dash cam, and it has a Sony 8 megapixel CMOS IMX415 image sensor in front of it. So that is cool. It's a powerful f/1.8 aperture. It has built-in Wi-Fi, GPS. You can share on social media. It has a GPS log that records your driving time, your route, and speed. G sensor and parking mode. This thing is phenomenal.